Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-margin.com, www.dayprotraders.com. The title of the video is how to day trade on the 30-minute chart using the RSI indicator part 1. Let's get started. The setup is very simple. What are we looking for? We are looking for a low followed by a higher low and a higher high. So we are looking for a low, a higher low, and a higher high in this order. Let's say again, a low, a higher low, and a higher high. I need to remind trader that we must have a higher high here before this higher low. Alright, so a low followed by a higher high, and then we have a higher low, and then we have a higher high. So we must have a low, a higher high. Let me say again, a low, a higher low, and a higher high. Now remember that before this higher low, we must have this higher high. But because I don't want to talk about too many higher high, that's why I say a low, a higher low, and a higher high. But remember, before this higher low, we must have a higher high. Okay? So once we see this setup like this, we'll draw, we join this low and this higher low. This is the orange line here. Alright? So we are waiting for the price to pull back and retest the trend line. So a low, a higher low on the 30-minute chart, and the price display a higher high, and the price pull back, okay, to retest okay, the trend line right here. So we will join this low and this higher low to draw our trend line. If the price reaches this trend line here, we will not buy straight away. All right. So as the price retests in the trend line here, you will also notice that the RSI will be oversold very often. Here it is, RSI, Relative Strength Index, period 14, very often will be oversold. But we will not buy straight away. We will use what we call the trading drill, the setup, the signal, and the low risk entry point without violating the market pattern. It makes sense? So this is the first part of this video about how to day trade on a 30-minute chart using the RSI indicator, part 1. In the next video, we're going to look at it a little bit deeper, how we can improve this strategy. But the key point we want to understand in this video, we are looking for the price to display a low, a higher low. We will draw a trend line, and the price must display a higher high before retesting our trend line. This is what we call a bullish trade setup using the RSI indicator. So all we will say at this point in time, we will say that we have a bullish trade setup. We need to now apply what we call the trading drill, the setup, the signal, and the low risk entry point. For TSTW 24 traders, one can go from this point and go straight away to the first best time frame. Alright? Do not enter the trade straight away on the 30-minute chart. As you can see here, if you enter straight away on the 30-minute chart, the price continue to go down. Okay, you see here. So you don't want to just buy straight away because the price retests in the trend line. This is a common trading mistake. You see that, okay, it went through it. So the best approach, you will consider this as a trade setup. You switch time frame, okay, for instance, you can go to the 10-minute chart, zoom into it, and then break it down to 3-minute chart, zoom into it, and then you want to enter the trade on the edge. If it is a valid support level, this trend line, the price may dip below it, but come back above it, all right? Or on your entry time frame, you will see that the price start going into a rising channel at this point in time, okay, and displaying higher lows, higher high in your entry time frame. I invite you to follow me in the next video, and I will explain to you more what we need to look for, how we can improve this strategy. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and then we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW 24 traders talking about how to day trade on a 30-minute chart using the RSI indicator, part 1. See you in part 2.